Hello, my name is Eileen Perez and my partner Jorge Figueras, and today we are going to be presenting our Phase C2 of our Capstone project, Functional Finger Prosthetic Design. For the outline, we have System Integration Plan, Manufacturing and Integration Plans and Procedures, System Operation Plan, Performance Estimates, Project Plan, and System Budget. Here we have the system integration plan structure. On the hand, we can see where the wires and cords will be and the fingers and wrist mechanism. That's for the mechanical subsystem. And for the control subsystem, we can see the control case and the sensor. Here we have the system integration plan mechanism. We have the side view of the hand and the top view. We also have our known and unknown variables. For our known variables, we have angle of movement and angle of the motors for activation, and our unknown variables are grip force, tension of cables, and force of the motors for activation.
Here we have the system integration plan of the controls. Here we can see the integration with the fingers mechanism with the servo motors attached with the cords. With the known variables, we have the voltage of sensor, the voltage of the processor, the motor angle for activation, and the unknown variables, we have the construction for receiving signal that we found that between 10 and 40% of maximum voluntary construction is enough to receiving a good signal by the sensor. Here we can see how the control system is integrated with the mechanism system, and here in the left I let you the link of the control system simulation that we presented on phase C1. Here we have the manufacturing and integration assembly plans and procedures for the mechanism system with the part list that we present in phase C1. Here we have the plans of the control system with the control case and the part list. Here we have the plans of the sensor with the electrical specifications and the dimensions and the sensor layout.
Manufacturing and integration plans and procedures. Here we have the instructions and explanations for our prosthetic. First, you select and print the parts. Second, assembly following the steps and directions. Third, wire the electronics. And lastly, upload the Arduino code and test the hand. Once completed every step previously mentioned, the result must be our functional finger prosthetic design.
For this manufacturing integration part, we have that for wire the electronics, follow this schematic in the right, and for programming, upload this code. I will explain this code now. First, you have to attach the servo motor to the 4 fingers to the pin 9. Then attach the servo motor for the thumb to the pin 8. Then we have the serial begin, that this is for serial monitoring to see the muscle sensor values you're getting. Then we create the loop and the analog pin. This is the muscle sensor connected to pin A3, begin state as val. Then we have the variable. If you flex and the sensor value is greater than 500, then close the servo motor. This value can be adjusted to the muscle sensor value. And then we have the link of the video of control simulation again if you can want to see the simulation. Here we have the system operation plan, the user manual. After the prosthesis has been assembled, tested, fully charged, and turned on, the user must do the following. Number 1. Attach the prosthesis to the hand through the sleeve or the straps in a position that fits the hand well. The user must place the sensor electrodes as shown below. The user follow steps A through C. It should have the sensor in the correct placement. And last, once the sensor is well connected and the prosthesis is securely attached to the hand, the user should be able to use the prosthesis by exerting force with the muscle that has the electrode. Here we have the performance estimate, the measure of performance of the entire circuit with the desired values, the obtained values, and the phase that the obtained values was complied. Here we have the system budget. The total cost of the system is 164 with 84 cents. That is on budget. And last, we have the project planning. We will present in phase D on February 15. Thank you.